Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 5. Question number 5 is you see here. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600, B 12% of it is rupees 1080, C is 40% of it is 500 kilometer, 70% of it is 14 minutes and 8% of it is 40 liters. Right. Now question number A. 5% of it is 600. Let the whole quantity let let the whole quantity let the whole quantity let the whole quantity let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, according to the question, 5% of it is 600. That is 5% of x is equal to 600. Therefore, you can write 5% means 5 by 100. Of means multiply or into x, that is 5x. We can write here as into x, that is you can write x 5x by 100 is equal to 600 right. Therefore you can write that x is equal to 5x is equal to 5x is equal to 600 into 100, or x is equal to 600 into 100 by 5. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 0, or it is 6 to the 12, 3 to 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 12,000. The value of x is 12,000, right? Therefore the whole quantity is 12,000. Therefore the whole quantity the whole quantity is 12,000. The whole quantity is 12,000, right? Now number B. Question number B is 12% of it is rupees 12% of it is rupees 1080. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity let the whole quantity be x. According to the question, 12% of x is equal to 1080. 12% means 12 by 100 of is multiply x is equal to 1080, or you can write 12x is equal to 1080 into 100, or x is equal to 1080 into 100 by 12, that is 1080 into 100 by 12, right? Now if you divide it by 2, you are getting 2 6 is 12. Here we are cutting by 2, 2 5 is 10, right? 2 4 is 8 and 0, right? 6 is 6, 6 9 is 54, 9 0. That x becomes x is equal to 9 3 zeros 1 2 3 is 9,000, right? 9,000. Therefore we can say that the whole quantity is rupees. The whole quantity, the whole quantity, whole quantity, the whole quantity is rupees. The whole quantity is rupees. Rupees 9,000. This is answer. Now we shall solve question number C. Now you see question number C is question number C. Question number C is 40%. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. Let the whole quantity, let the whole quantity, whole quantity, let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, 40% of x, 40% of x is equal to 500 kilometer. 40% of x, 40% of x is equal to 500 kilometer. 500 kilometer. Or 40% of x, 40% means 40 by 100 of x multiply into x is equal to 500. Or we can write 40x. 40x is equal to 500 into 100. Or x can be written as 500 into 100 by 40. 500 into 100 by 40. Now this 0 will be cut, right? 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10. And we divide this by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, there is 0. If we multiply 250 by 5, we are getting 250. Multiply it by 5 is 5 0 0. 5 is 25 2. Here it is 5. 5 to the 10 plus 2 12. That is 1250. That comes to 1250. 1250. Right? Therefore, the value of x is 1250 kilometer. Right? Therefore, the value is 1250 kilometer. Right? Therefore, you can write that value of x is 1250 kilometer. Right? Now, question number D. Question number D is, let the whole quantity, let the whole quantity, whole quantity, let the whole quantity be x. That according to the question, 70% of x, 70% of x is equal to 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Right? Now 70% means 70 by 100. Of means multiply. X is equal to 14. Or you can write 70x is equal to 14 into 100. 14 into 100. Or x can be written as 14 into 100 by 70. This 0 will cut. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Or x is equal to, value of x is equal to 20. Therefore, the value of x is 20 minutes. 20 means 20 minutes, right? Therefore, the quantity is, therefore, the whole quantity, the whole quantity, the whole quantity is 20 minutes. 20 minutes. That is question number D. Now we solve question number E. Question number E is, question number E is 8% of it is 40 liters. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity, let the whole quantity, let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, according to the question, 8% of x, 8% of x is equal to 40 liters. 40 liters. Therefore, we are getting 8% means 8 by 100. Half means multiply. X is equal to 40, or 8x is equal to 40 into 100. 100, or x can be written as 40 into 100 divided by 8. 8 is 8, 8 5 is 40. This 5 into 100, that is equal to 500. 500, 500 liters. Right? Therefore, the whole quantity is, therefore the whole quantity, therefore the whole quantity, therefore the whole quantity is 500 liters. 500 liters. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.